Students, this type of questions can easily fetch you 7 to 10 marks in exam, but only if you know the right approach. So let's master it step by step. MSBP Leathers, a shoe manufacturer, has modern outlook and they depend heavily on business forecasting methodology to plan their business activities like manufacturing, marketing, finance. At the beginning of the year 2023, they have forecasted data of demand of their shoe for the beginning of the month of March as 1000, but the actual demand turned out to be 900 pairs. They have forecasted 1000 pair, but the actual demand was 900. Using a smoothing coefficient 0.1, forecast the demand at the beginning of the second week of March 23. Here we have to use 0.1 as a forecast. That means for next respective week, we will multiply 0.1. Also forecast the demands using exponential smoothing technique at the beginning of each week till mid 2023 when the actual demands are as follow. Here actual demand data are given. At the beginning of second week of March, 1010 pairs. At the beginning of third week of March, 1032 pairs. At the beginning of fourth week of March, 976 pairs. These are the actual demands. At the beginning of first week of April, 934 pairs. At the beginning of second week of April, 1008 pairs. And at the end of the second week of April, 1020 pairs. Let's start. First, we create a simple table mentioning the week-wise data. Now, for March month, first week demand is 9000 and forecast value is 1000 fair. So, forecast error will be minus 100. Demand minus previous forecast, 900 minus 1000. So, our forecast error will be minus 100. Now we will multiply this forecast error into 0.1 as given in the question smoothing coefficient. So minus 100 into 0.1. Correction will be minus 10. Now we will calculate new forecast. Formula for new forecast is previous forecast plus correction. Previous forecast was 1000 and correction is minus 10. We will add 1000 plus minus 10, 990. 990 is the new forecast of first week of March. Now we will calculate for second week. Demand. Here it is given in question. At the beginning of second week of March, demand was 1010 pairs. So demand was 1010 pairs. Previous forecast. We will take previous from the first week of March. 990. 990 is the previous forecast. So forecast error will be 1010 minus 990. 20. 20 into 0.1. 2 is the correction. So our new forecast will be 990 plus 2. 992. At the beginning of third week, 1032 was the demand. 1032 demand. Previous forecast is 992. So forecast error is 1032 minus 992. 40. Now 40 into 0.1. 4 is the correction. So our new forecast for third week of March is 992 plus 4. 996 is the new forecast. Now fourth week of March. At the beginning of fourth week of March, demand was 976 pairs. So 976 was the demand. Previous forecast is 996. So forecast error is 996 minus 990 976 minus 996 minus 20. Minus 20 into 0.1 minus 2 is the correction and 994 is the new forecast. 996 plus minus 2. So 994 is the new forecast. Now we'll calculate for first week of April. Here it is given 934 pair is the demand for first week of April. 934. Previous forecast is 994. So forecast error is 934 minus 994 minus 60. Now minus 60 into 0.1 minus 6 is the correction. And new forecast for first week of April is 994 plus minus 6, 988. Here it is given at the beginning of second week of April demand was 1008 pairs. So beginning of the second week 1008 is the demand. Previous forecast is 988 and forecast error is 20. So correction is 20 into 0.12. New forecast for second week is 988 plus 2 990. Now we calculate for second week of end. At the end of second week demand was 1020 pairs. So 1020 was demand. Previous forecast is 990. So forecast error will be 1020 minus 990, 30. And correction is 30 into 0.1, 3. And new forecast will be 990 plus 3, 993. Hope this understands you well. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and support. Thank you.